Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your public healthcare clinic businesses. For example, you have public healthcare clinic in where you can provide different facilities to your patients regarding the booking appointment, get vaccination reminder as well as healthcare tips. Responding each and every patient manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow so that whenever your patient send a message to your WhatsApp business account of public healthcare clinic, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your public healthcare clinic business, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your patients automatically. Even it book appointments, provide health tips as well as vaccination reminder without you doing anything. Now I am sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of Impulse Healthcare Clinic. It was my personal public healthcare clinic. Hi, or instead of any message you can send. Here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me. Hi there, welcome to Impulse Healthcare Clinic, your trusted partner in health and wellness. How can we help you today? While providing me 3 different options, that is book appointment, get health tips and vaccination reminder. If I'll click on book appointment, then it will respond to me like this, that please choose the type of appointment. While providing me 3 different types, that is general consultation, child vaccination and COVID-19 test. If I want to book a general consultation, then I'll click on this button. See, then it will ask me for my full name. Here I am providing my name. Here I write it. After that, now you can see it will ask me to provide a preferred date for booking appointment. Here I write it the date. See, the bot will respond to me automatically that appointment confirmed. Thank you Mehruz Khan for booking your appointment with Impulse Healthcare Clinic. Here you can see it will respond to me by my name. If I'll click on get health tips, then it will provide me some healthcare tips. So basically this is how your chatbot will work and this is how your bot will respond to your patients automatically, instantly. If you want to create this type of automatic chatbot for your public healthcare businesses, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking access now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. When you click on this, it will provide you 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders, while in this home section you can see the active status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once, and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow. This is where you build your WhatsApp chatbot using a visual flow builder. It is also used for creating conversation path, capture data, offer products, browsing, etc. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in where you can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. It will also solve your problems. Here we also provide a video of how to create an AI assistant for WhatsApp inside a Pabbly Chatflow. The ninth one is the activity log, where you can see all the activities, events, action or task you have occurred within the last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings, in where you can manage your accounts, team members, integrations, API keys, etc. And the last one is the get help, where you can tell us about your problems and we will find you a solution. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll click on this flow button. See, this is the page where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of flow builder. Here you can also see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of our flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our public healthcare clinic business, so here I am providing a name. Here I write it. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use this button in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. So let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keyword, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific features or behavior into your chatbot. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that was started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to the any message of your patients that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account. Now I want to add one welcome message for my patients, so that whenever they send any message to my WhatsApp business account, then my bot will respond to them. For this I am taking this text button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this box here and entering the welcome message for my patients. Here I write it. While at the end of this message, I'll ask my patient that how can we help you today. So for answering this, I am providing them some buttons by clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as book appointment. The second button I'll write is get health tips, and the third button I'll write is vaccination reminder. Now I'll connect the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my patients. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here our flow starting point is connected to our message. Now, if my patient wants to book an appointment in my healthcare clinic, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button and writing the respond message for my patients. Here I write it. See, I wrote this Impulse Healthcare Clinic in this asterisk sign, because with the help of this sign, the name of my clinic will go to the WhatsApp account of my patients in the bold format. While at the end of this message, I'll ask my patients to please choose the type of appointment. So for answering this, I am providing them some appointment types. By clicking on this plus add button, it will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first appointment type as general consultation. The second one I'll write is child vaccination, and the third one I'll write is COVID-19 test. Here I write it. Now if my patient wants to book appointment any of this, then they will click on this. So my bot will respond to them. For this I'm clicking on this action button and choose the button as ask a question. So that at first I want to know the name of my patients. Here I am writing the message that please provide your full name. Here I write it. While in the select contact custom field, I'll select as full name. I already created this field before. If you want to know how to create a contact custom field in your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. And now in the select format type, I'll select as text. And the number of attempt I'll give as 1, and in this you can also enter any validation message if you want to. After that I'll connect this general consultation circle to this circle, child vaccination circle to this circle, COVID-19 test to this circle, so that whenever my patient select any of this, then the response would be the same, because at first I want to know the name of my patients. After that, when my patients provide me their name, then I want to ask them about the preferred date. On that day they want to book an appointment. For this I am again taking one another ask question. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and writing the message for my patients that please provide your preferred date for booking an appointment. Here I write it. While in the select contact custom field, I'll select as date. I already created this before. And the select format type as date. Number of attempt I'll give as 1 and leave this message box blank. After that, I'll connect this circle to this, so that when my patients provide me their name, after that my bot will ask them to provide me the preferred date that they want to book an appointment. After that, when they provide me their preferred date, then my bot will respond to them by their name that their booking is confirmed. For that, I'm clicking on this message option and select the button as text button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this box here and writing the respond message. Here I write it. You can see I use this dollar symbol before full name, because with the help of this symbol my bot will automatically respond to the manual name of my patients. Now I'll connect this circle to this circle. Here it is connected. After that, the second option is the get health tips. If my patients wants to know about some health tips, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write some health tips for my patient. Here I write it. Now the third one is the vaccination reminder. If my patients wants to set a vaccination reminder in my healthcare clinic, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line and choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I ask some details about the patient. Here I write it. While at the end of this, I'll ask my patients that whose vaccination reminder would you like to set. For answering this, I'm providing them some options by clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I can give my first option as my child. The second option I'll write is myself, and the third option I'll write is family members. Here I write it. After that, when my patients wants to book the vaccination of any members of their family, then they will click any of this option. So my bot will respond to them. Here I am going to do the same step that we were writed here. That first we were asked about our patient name, then their date of birth. For that, I'll take one copy of this message by clicking on this button. It will provide me one another question box. I'll drag this box here and connect all these circle to this circle like this, so that whenever my patients wants to set a vaccination reminder of their any family members, then they will click on this button. At first, my bot will ask them about their full name. Here I select the contact custom field as full name, as I already created this before. And now in the next step, after that my patients provide me their name, then I want to know about their date of birth so that I can book their vaccination reminder. For this, again I am taking one ask question button. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and entering the question as please provide your date of birth. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect this circle to this circle. It is connected. And in the select contact custom field, I'll choose as date of birth. I can choose date also. The work would be the same. After that, I'll select the format as date and number of attempt I'll give as 1 and leave this enter message box. Here I write it. After that, when my patients provide me their both the details, that is their full name and their date of birth, so my bot will respond to them by the vaccination confirmation message. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button and writing the respond message in this enter message box. Here I write it. You can see in this message also I'll use this dollar symbol before the full name as we were used here. See, as different patients have different names, so for sending manual names we will use this. While at the end of this message, I'll also ask my patients that would you like a health tip while you are here. So for this, I'm providing them one button as get health tips by clicking on this plus add button and writing as get health tips. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect this circle, drag a line to this message where I wrote all health tips. Here it is connected. Our flow is completed. So basically, this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your public healthcare clinic business. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. Now I'll give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your patients automatically, instantly by sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of healthcare clinic. Hi, or instead of any message you can send. Here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hi there, welcome to Impulse Healthcare Clinic, your trusted partners in health and wellness. How can we help you today? While providing me 3 different options, that is book appointment, get health tips and vaccination reminder that we were written here. See, book appointment, get health tips and vaccination reminder. If I'll click on vaccination reminder, then it will respond to me like this while providing me 3 different options, that is my child, myself, family members that we were written here. See, my child, myself, family member. If I'll click on my child, then it will ask me for full name. Here I write my name. Then it will respond to me like this while asking to me about my date of birth that we were written here. See, here I am providing my date of birth. Here I provided. After that, you can see the bot will respond to me automatically by my name. Thank you, Mehruz Khan. Your vaccination reminders are now set. You will receive alerts before each due date, so you never miss a dose. Stay healthy with Impulse Healthcare Clinic. Would you like a health tip while you are here? And provide me one get health tip button. If I'll click on this, then it will provide me some healthcare tips. So basically, this is how your chatbot will work and this is how your bot will respond to your patients instantly. You can create this type of WhatsApp chatbot for your healthcare clinic. This bot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.